I've decided to speak on this topic of wildfires because this has personally affected me. I was in Chico, California in 2018 when the Camp Fire destroyed the whole community of Paradise. I had teammates and coaches who were out of homes, and even I had to evacuate. And I'm from the Midwest, so things like this weren't normal to me at all. Which is why I felt that some light should be shed on this, because a lot of people are in the dark about things that's going on the West Coast. Also, I first decided on the images by showing the destruction of wildlife because they are affected tremendously, and animals bring a more sensitive component in many people's eyes. Secondly, I decided on the image of the firefighters watching the fire. And the purpose of this is to spark questions as to why aren't they doing anything. And this is because wildfires have to be put out themselves, because all firefighters can do is try to contain it while praying that Mother Nature sends down rain. Then I chose the word lethal because it stands out and adds more of a serious component than just wildfires, because the potential of destruction is unfathomable. And this led me to putting down the fact of 72,000 wildfires happen a year. This brings out a eye-opener that, wow, this happens a lot. Which helps me lead to my question, is it nature-made or human-made? And the fact of me showing that 96% of fires are human-made brings a certain level of accountability to all humans, especially after reading some of the causes of fires. A lot of these things are part of your everyday human life, and it lets you know that it takes one time for something to go wrong to just spark a whole wildfire. And this makes me also chart down the health effects that makes you think about all the lives and aftermath of smoke causes. And lastly, I made sure that I added a website if you wanted more info. And this is just to show that there is a whole platform that is dedicated to the awareness of wildfires.